How to kill a lot of ants at once. You can kill a lot of ants when you catch them swarming over a dropped and forgotten piece of sugary food or candy, but those ants will be replaced if you do not wipe out the ant colony as well. You can try several methods to help you kill a lot of ants at once by destroying the entire colony in one fell swoop. Since you do not always have the time, money or proper tools to seek and destroy the queen ant, you must rely on methods of administering poison to the worker ants in a way that does not kill them before they can take the substance back to the colony for a fatal feast. Things you will need: 1 cup boiling water, microwavable container or saucepan, 2 cups sugar, 2 tablespoons boric acid, milk jug lids. Create poisonous bait for the annoying creepy crawlies. Ants love sugary foods, but have a keen sense for poisonous substances, so the key to killing ants lies in creating a poison that has no foul odor but makes those tiny ant mouths water. Boric acid provides a solution to this dilemma, because boric acid is a naturally odorless and poisonous substance that you can disguise with sugar. To create this bait, begin by boiling a cup of water in a microwavable container or saucepan. Remove the water from heat and slowly pour in the 2 tablespoons of boric acid. Stir as you pour in the boric acid and stop once the acid dissolves completely into the hot water. Slowly add sugar to the hot water and boric acid mixture, stirring until the sugar dissolves into the hot water as well. Pour the mixture into an empty container and use a permanent marker to mark the container as poisonous to prevent other household members from accidentally using the container or bait mixture. Pour small amounts of the solution into old milk jug lids, filling each lid halfway. Place the lids all over the house, especially in areas where you see the ants most frequently. Immediately clean and completely disinfect the container you used to create the mixture. Watch as the ants appear within hours or minutes after you set out the bait. The sugar will instantly draw the ants to feed on the mixture. Leave the ants to founder on the poison. Do not give in to temptation and begin squishing all the ants that flock to the bait. Instead, allow the ants to take the bait back to their nests to feed the colony and the queen. The ants will flock to the poison over the next couple of days, but after about the 3rd or 4th day, you will stop seeing the ants completely, because the entire colony no longer exists.